Okay, let's continue. Okay, 不如 you can join them together and as a result it becomes 不如 Okay, the whole sentence 不如打開道門佢咯 Okay, originally it is 不如打開道門佢咯 and now it can make it into 不如打開道門佢咯 Okay, both can work. Both can work. Okay, now the last character it is law. Okay, let me demonstrate what means by the inconsistency of pitch. Okay, the last character it is law. And when you want to pronounce number 3, then okay, you have to use some method. Okay, and make it into number 1, then it is law. Okay, and then you want to get number 3, then you can use bye bye. Okay, it becomes law. Then it is number 3. And then when we substitute the tone law into this sentence, then it will becomes 不如打開道門佢咯。不如打開道門佢咯 Okay, it is quite weird. If you have a Cantonese friend watching this video together with you, then he will find that it is weird. Okay, let me demonstrate again. 不如打開道門佢咯 It is because the law, the pitch is different from all the other character in this sentence, and as a result there are two different pitch. Okay, no matter what method you are using, you may have the same problem. It means that there are 8 characters in this sentence, and as a result you may fluctuate between different pitches, and so it is quite difficult to solve the problem. Maybe next time you pronounce this sentence to your friend, you say 不如打開道門佢咯 Then your friend will say, oh, it seems that you are wrong, but they don't know which part you are wrong. Okay, and indeed your pitch didn't keep constant throughout the whole sentence, and so it is quite difficult for you to overcome. Okay, and for example, if you are using the traditional method, then you can use the tone table. It will becomes law. Okay, but in this sentence it is 不如打開道門佢咯 不如打開道門佢咯 Okay, law and law. Okay, the pitch are still different, and so it is quite difficult. Okay, and maybe I can give you one example in English. You can test in English. For example, tomato. Okay, if I say tomato and tomato, indeed they are the same, but the pitch is different. Okay, pitch 1 it is tomato. The first syllable it is tomato, and then the pitch number 2 it is tomato, and so it is and so Indeed, they are the same tone, but they have different pitch. Then try to imagine tomato. There are 3 syllables in a single word. There are 3 syllables. If all the 3 have different pitch, then the whole word will be very weird. You know what I mean? It will be wrong, and as a result. And so at last, I have a conclusion. It means that you have to learn Cantonese in a whole sentence, so that you can keep the pitch constant. You have, of course, you have to get the whole sentence first, and then you have to learn one character by one character. But at last, you have to learn the sentence as a whole. Okay, now let me demonstrate. 不如打開道門佢咯，不如打開道門佢咯 or 不如打開道門佢咯，不如打開道門佢咯 Okay? 不如打開道門佢咯 and so you have to learn it, okay, one by one. I'm sorry, I mean you have to learn it as a whole sentence. I hope that you know what I mean. Okay, now the last part, okay, the last one. If you want to learn Cantonese, I suggest that you have to follow Hong Kong. And if you want to follow Hong Kong, then you have to follow the Chinese University of Hong Kong. Okay, or you go to Google and then you type in Cantonese CUHK. Then you can go to the web page in the Chinese University of Hong Kong about the Cantonese. Okay. Or maybe if you want, when you are learning Cantonese, maybe you want to find the similarity. Okay, the similarity, so that you can learn it easier. I mean, when you are learning the initials or learning the finals, okay, especially the finals, okay, you want to find the similarities so that you know how to pronounce, okay, the finals. Then you want to find the similarity, okay, then you can go to Google and then type in Cantonese Asia Yuping, okay, then you can have the material, okay. Okay, now that's all I want to teach you. That's all I want to tell you. I hope that it is useful to you. Okay, and thank you for watching. Okay, bye bye.